Now, take a sub out the box. You got this, you know, beautiful piece of work here with this ginormous magnet on it. Alright guys, so here I am back with another YouTube video. This time it is a unboxing. I haven't did a, well actually I have done an unboxing / install when I had the dial dynamic side markers. But this one is for something a lot different. This one is a little more special video since this is something pertaining to the first Camaro video we ever did, which is the highest viewed video we have pertaining Camaro content or any video me and my twin brother have done since then. So I'm gonna hop into it. Get straight to the point. As you can see beside me, I have SKAR Audio's EVL 12s. These subwoofers here are capable of 1250 watts RMS a piece. So I'll be running two. You know, you can do the math. 2500 RMS. I'll be running these. These are actually the EVL 12 dual 4s. I'll be wiring up to 1 ohms for the amplifier that I got. These subs here, I mean, like I said, it gives you all the specifics, the ferrite magnet, the 40 to 400 hertz frequency range that is in it, the 3-inch black aluminum voice coil, and then, like I said before, the 1250 watts RMS. Now, kind of change topic a little bit. Now, with the RMS numbers, you hear a lot of people talk about car audio, and they say my system is 3,000 watts, my system is 2,000 watts, 5,000 watts, and you know, you listen to them like, wow, how much you pay for that? And they're like, oh man, I paid 500 bucks. And it's like, okay, damn sweet, man, that's a loud system, 5,000 watt system for 500 bucks. Well, a lot of times people, you need to realize that you need to look at, if it doesn't say RMS, you know, that is the peak wattage that it's speaking of. So that's not the actual continuous power wattage that it's talking about. That is the peak wattage. So get back to the box. Actually, let me touch on this. The subwoofer, the outer diameter, complete outer diameter is 12.64 inches. The magnet depth of this subwoofer for mounting, so the mounting depth of this subwoofer is actually 7.80 inches. From the lip, the very top of the subwoofer, all the way down to the very bottom of the magnet is actually 8.98 inches. And the subwoofer, the mounting cutout you would need for the subwoofer specifically is 11.22. So if you're thinking about getting a 12-inch box, you need to get 11.22 cutout diameter for the subwoofer to fit perfect in. So SKAR Audio prefers you to run this specific sub. I believe in a ported box, it needs to be 2 cubic feet with a 24-inch port, and I think in a sealed box it's like 1.75 cubic feet. Don't quote me on that, but we'll get that on screen for you. So here's to the unboxing of it. So first thing first, you open up this box here. Now this box was previously open to make sure everything was there, so the plastic's not wrapped around it. SKAR Audio actually wraps a nice plastic around the sub, so you know it's actually, you know, fully secure. It comes with a EVL, you know, series subwoofer. It gives you the, you know, direction for the 10, the 12, the 15, and the 18 that they make. It also explains to you if you want to make an enclosure. It gives you specific enclosure design, so that's a good props on SKAR Audio for that, you know, helping people out if you make your own boxes. I will have a custom box for this eventually. For now, I'm not gonna have a custom box. It is a prefab box, which video will be coming up on that soon because it's not one yet that I've seen. So let me go ahead and take the sub out the box. Here you guys. Now, take the sub out the box. You got this, you know, beautiful piece of work here with this ginormous magnet on it. And you can see there, you can focus on that. Actually, you know, it says SKAR Audio. My finger's going in the way of that. Actually, it has the freaking, it has some pretty sturdy crazy, I can't even remember the name of these, the terminals for it. like I said, it's a dual 4 ohm 12-inch SKAR Audio EVL. Like I said, I can't wait to put it in my 2018 Z01. Actually, I have 2 of these. That's what this box is sitting on. Subwoofers. I think the subwoofer weighs, I don't know if it says it on the box. Matter of fact, I think it's 30 pounds or 35 pounds, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty heavy box, pretty heavy sub at that. So, you know, that's the unboxing on this beautiful subwoofer. Like I said before, SKAR Audio, I've heard great things about them, so I decided I wanted to try it out for myself. And if I was going to do a full system in the Z01, I knew I wanted to go with something new, something that not many people have, so I can help this company make a name for themselves. Not saying that they don't already have a name made for themselves, because they do. That's how I heard about them, but not a lot of people run SKAR Audio. So this is an unboxing on the SKAR Audio EVL 12 Dual 4. Stay tuned for the amp review, or the amp unboxing I should say, and the actual install and the review and everything. So when this system all come together, all said and done, it's going to be one of the loudest 6th gen Z01s in the world. I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. I want you to hit that bell in the bottom, you know, so you can get the notifications when we do upload. And also like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you'd like to hear, you know, what you want to see more of. And also in the comment section, a lot of the stuff for with the comments. If you been along with this channel for long enough, you know that this channel is with me and my twin brother, so it's us kind of coming together. He is actually the, you would say, admin of the channel, the primary, and I'm kind of the secondary. So when it comes to comments and everything, you know, I don't get to actually hear about him until he calls me and lets me know. I usually have long days of work, and sometimes I don't get to him fast enough, and so I want to apologize for that, and let you guys know that I will get better with that. I will get better with connecting more with you guys, letting you know that, you know, I do care about your opinions and, you know, what you got to say and the things that you have concerns about, so I'll be sure to answer those. I want to thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more content.